your trust to sell, to prepare the house, and to list the house. Congratulations, kasi we were able to successfully sell yung house natin. Tama ba? Yeah.
Yes.
Super nice naman for the Lord, di ba? Ang bilis no? Yeah. Sobrang amazed pa rin ako. And I think ang una, salamat sa tiwala ninyo. Since day one, nung umupo tayo doon, naalala nyo yung tiwala ninyo.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah. So, April 6, 2026, basahin ko yung love letter namin sa inyo. Dearest Bro Alan and Sis Ami, thank you for your full trust since day one. Bro and Sis, it means the world to us. Your trust to sell, to prepare the house, and to list the house. Sobrang thank you. Thank you for the yummy food also you served when we visited you. Yung binagoongan, naaalala ko yon. We are praying for you as you move to the next chapter of your life. May you create happy and loving memories there. And we don't treat you as clients, but as our family, our friends. If you need anything, we are always here for you. Ang tawag namin dito, Happy Sold Day. So yung iba, di ba, yung buyer lang meron. Kami, we appreciate yung mga sellers, yung mga nagpapatulong na magbenta ng bahay sa amin. And blessings, Chris and Alice.